What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here. In today's video, I'm going to show you one quick, easy hack to continue to make sales on Poshmark, even if you don't have a lot of time or new inventory. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here. Thanks so much for joining. Let's hop right into it. I'm going to show you one quick and easy way on Poshmark to make a lot of sales without having to have new items or when you don't have a lot of time. So let's jump right into it. All right, so this is my closet. This is Poshmark. They recently, within the past couple months, have come out with a new feature, the copy feature. And this is absolutely amazing because it allows you to refresh your stuff. On Poshmark, if you want your stuff to be just in, you see these categories over here. You have just shared. So sharing is very important, and just in right here. To make something just in, refreshing it is very helpful. So something that I do, I will go to just in, and then I will sort all the way down to the bottom and refresh my older listings. For the sake of this video, I'm not doing that because it takes me like 5 minutes to get to the bottom of my closet. I have like 800 active listings. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this for yourself. I will just go ahead and pick something. We'll do this Twitter logo bomber jacket. So click on it. You can hit edit. You can also do this on your phone as well. Scroll down, and something that I do is copy the title, because so I highlight it, Control C. When you make a copy, it puts copy in the beginning of the title. And if your title is too long, then it'll cut off the end of your title. You'll have to do the title again. So I hit copy. And then scroll down here and there's a little copy listing feature, and you hit yes, it'll make a copy of this. And bear with me, things in my computer's a little bit slower when we are filming as well. And so now this is the exact same copy, but you can see it says copy at the beginning. So I simply just do Control V from before. Sometimes I'll update photos if I need to, or update some of this if I think it's not selling for a certain reason. But oftentimes just refreshing it will get you new views on it. You are going to lose all of your likes. So oftentimes I will send out my lowest offer before I do this, and then refresh it to get new likes as well. Scroll down. And then listing price. Sometimes I'll increase the listing price because usually before I relist it, like I said, I will send out offers, closet clear out. Those will usually be my lowest price. So I will kind of increase it a little bit more and go back. But this is it. And then you hit next, list this item. And boom, there you have it. Something you do want to keep in mind when you're doing this. It is only going to show as, so it shows as just shared. It is only going to show as just in. This was not, oh, there we go. It's going to show as just in if it's 60 days or older. And the other thing that you want to do not forget, is go back and delete your original posting. You don't want to have duplicates because then you're going to run into trouble if you sell both of them. But this is a quick and easy way to make more sales. You don't have a lot of time. You can go in and refresh. You know, I can do 10 of them in about 10 minutes, refresh, give some activity to my closet, and hope to get some new sales. So if you like content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, save this for future reference as well, and have a good day.